Today we're going to be working on our 1984 mobile home property. Now we've been giving this project some thought, trying to figure out where we wanted to start on this whole mess. And I think we're going to start right back here in the old shed. The reason being is, like I said previously, we want to take down this deck. The deck is kind of intermingled with the shed. So why not start here and just clean this whole place up, because we're going to be taking a lot of materials in and out of this door, and we need a strong, safe place to work from and walk on. So let's check out the shed, see what's in there, start cleaning it out, and hopefully tearing it down. Now hopefully this isn't too much of a challenge, but we're fighting the weather today, so hopefully we can get this done. First, let's see what's in here. I'm gonna see if I can even step on here.
Just be aware of snakes and spiders and stuff.
I know, I'm worried about it. So this is my first time being in here. We don't know what to expect, but we have to clean all of this stuff out because we want to tear down this shed and get rid of it. We're going to make room for a bigger and better deck. And as you can see, this place is in rough shape. It's falling apart. There's probably going to be some little useful things. Like I just found these on the floor. They look like they've never even been used. So we'll hold on to that. The rest of it will stack to the side for when we get our dumpster. Eggs in there.
Ew.
Something. Found a pair of hog ring pliers for crimping those metal rings. Could be handy.
Real belt.
Hey, this is what we need right now. Poncho, raincoat. Look at it, we came prepared. Just an old lighter case. Whoop! Scared me. Frog on there. I would say not worth keeping. Paper towel holder. I'm gonna call this whole tote trash. It's just full of trash. There is a pry bar in it though. You can get these for cheap though at the store. They're not valuable. I'm gonna get rid of all of this too. It doesn't look like anything in there. Glue sticks, who cares? Just get rid of that. Portable power. Old wheels.
Toilet paper.
Mm-hmm.
Thing.
Baseball bat.
It's a boy. Wow.
Ghost town, it says.
Why are you so shaky?
There's a whole tote full of sealed surgical gloves. Sterile. Duffel bags. Trying to use caution. We don't know if there's a snake, a spider, anything underneath any of this stuff, so we're trying to be careful and go through it a little at a time. Found this little keychain peanut, and it looks like it's a pocket knife. That's kind of interesting. Here's another pocket knife. Just looks like it says Valco stainless. I have no idea. A third pocket knife. Look at this one. A cheapy Swiss style knife. I should take my gloves off so I can do this. You guys get the point. It'll open. I just can't grab it with my gloves on. So, 3 pocket knives. Look at this. 4th pocket knife. This one I can grab. Crucifix, ceramic tiles, little handheld ratchet driver. That's kind of handy. Put a socket on there and you can just finger twist it. Car fuses. I'll save those. Sometimes those are handy. I found a pair of glasses if you wanted them.
I might want that.
A bag of miniature roses. Little Coleman cooler. Empty. Is it worth saving? I don't know. Probably not. We got some unopened boxes of laminate flooring. That was a pretty cool little end grain cutting board at one time. Now some more odds and ends. Oh, I just found this piece of leather work. Pretty intricately designed. With a Native American or... it looks more South American. But Mexican, I don't know. Leather. You know what this goes to? Where's that bamboo? It's a little bit stiff, but there.
What are you making?
Wow.
I don't know. A little chair. Power spray carpet cleaner.
Oh.
It feels heavy. I don't know why. I'm afraid to open it and see what's inside.
Let you know.
Okay, we got some furniture. Nothing special. The back of it appears to be plastic. This whole designed area. That's not wood. Not worth keeping. Clock radio. This table is wood, but it's not old, it's not special, and it's really moldy.
It's junk.
It's nothing I feel like keeping, that's for sure. Bird nest. Now the spider webs in here are super creepy and everywhere. Still have a little bit of stuff to go through in here. Let's get rid of these two chairs.
2 machetes.
Oh yeah. Various kitchen knives. AC/DC Back in Black. Little salad bowls. Does this go to this? I don't know. I mean, it obviously looks like it goes, but nothing holds it on. Also found a little salt or pepper shaker. Man, the color is a little more vivid than this, but you guys hopefully capture it okay. This one's kind of neat. Just a case of old small mason style jars. Another hard hat. Little Craftsman sander. I want you guys to see how wild this 2x4 looks in the corner. It's going to be hard to capture this on camera. This corner stud right here comes down and it just starts twisting like unnatural shapes. Look at this wood. Ready? We're going to be getting ready to take this structure down. I don't know how much we're doing today. I want to save the metal roof just for fun, so I'm going to see if it's salvageable, like if it can be removed. But I don't want to climb on this place. It doesn't look very stable.
No.
All of these, look at this. We could always start by getting rid of more stuff up here. I don't smell any fuel in here. I think that's just pure water. And ooh, what did I just find? Could be handy. So here we have some old Coca-Cola. Still unopened. Fresh. Now let's see, it's not too old because it has high fructose corn syrup in it. Looks like we have 2 6-packs full of Coke. Various ashtrays. I'll just throw these out. Oh, this is handy. Let's see if anything was left in it. No, it's empty. Just an empty toolbox full of water. Then Belle said she wanted these ferns. You think you can bring them back to life? Are these resurrection ferns?
They look like it.
They should spring up again once they get some water.
Well. Watch out, I'm going to try to make an opening for you to hand stuff to Mommy. We're going to keep these to decorate with? That's cute. Look at this moss growing all around this pot. Just from being here. Natural decoration.
That's cute.
Turtle, whoop, with moss growing on his shell.
Yeah.
Take it off. I could put it inside my treasure box.
We've more or less got this place cleaned out. We've looked at the roof. I'm not climbing up there. I don't feel safe about it. I don't want to get hurt. We cleaned off the porch. Let's just start taking this apart.
We found a brown katydid. That's cool.
Yeah.
We usually find green ones.
It's not a poisonous spider. I looked at, what were these, crevice spiders?
Yeah. He's trying to hide.
Well, we need to find a crevice for her to live in. So, why don't you take this piece of wood and find a good spot for her?
No!
There has to be someplace good you can put her.
You put her somewhere.
Belle, don't be afraid of wood. You can let it crawl on you, it won't hurt you.
No.
We have to rescue all the wildlife before we tear this place down.
Yeah.
Cool.
Another green katydid.
Whoa. getting a little bit uncomfortable about being under the roof. If it works, I should be able to just let it fold. Oh, giant cockroach. Now we can get on top and undo the metal.
Yeah, safely.
We got such a nice fold when that collapsed. It was perfect. That was a perfect drop. And now Ashley is going to clean off the roof. Look at how much debris was up here from the trees. We are creating topsoil on the roof here.
No.
Can I see that mossy piece of wood?
I was trying to save a little skink and his tail fell off. And that's really weird.
So that's a 5-lined skink.
Yeah. But he'll be okay. It's one of their defense mechanisms that they have.
So what happens is when they feel threatened like that, they try to get away, they drop their tail, and the tail keeps twitching, so the predator will go after the tail while the lizard gets away.
It's pretty cool. And gross at the same time.
That's where we're going to leave it. We're going to come back another day to clean up this mess because we're done for now.
Yeah.
We also want to come back and finish disassembling that entire deck. We're going to rip the deck down, and I'm making a shopping list, and hopefully this month we're going to be building a whole new deck on the back here, and we're going to try to span it right across where that shed was. So we're going to lose the shed, double the deck. It's going to be really cool, and it's going to be much more useful. Maybe someday we'll get a small shed to put on the property if we feel like it's valuable, but it doesn't need to be on the back of the house.
No.
We found a lot of cool treasures today. Most of them are going to end up in a dumpster, but it was fun to look through everything.
Yeah. You never know what you're going to find.
And we did end up taking a few things that we're going to bring home with us. Just little stuff. That was all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and joining us while we rummage through our shed and see what kind of treasures were left behind. So I guess that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.
Bye.